Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to limit multiple response on Google Forms. So let's start. Over here I am in Google. Over the top right you'll find apps. Tap on this and scroll down and go to Forms. Then over here you can see here is one of my demo form. I'll click on this and you can see here this is my form which I recently created for demo. Then here I have got two responses, but they are duplicate. So to limit this duplicate response, all we need to do is go to setting. Over here you will find response. Click on this drop down. When you click on this drop down, you will find one option called over here limit to one response. Turn this on by just clicking over here. And now our form's response is reduced to single time where it requires sign in and only one response is taken from a single Gmail. So in this way we can limit the response of Google Form to single time or only once. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.